Hello everyone, let's discuss impulse response of series RC circuit. First we have to get the circuit diagram. We have a switch, right? Then R, finally C. This is R, this is switch, and this is what? V into delta T, right? Because the response is input is what? Impulse input. Because of this, it is a current I of T. That's it. Okay. A series RC network excited at T is equals to 0 by an impulse input of magnitude V into delta of T. That's it, right? Therefore, applying KVL. So by applying KVL, what we have? V into delta of T, which is equals to R into I of T plus 1 by C integral I dt, right? Sorry, I of T dt. I of T dt. Clear? Taking Laplace transformation. We are having what? V, which is equals to R into I of S plus, because delta of T Laplace transformation is nothing but 1, like that I of T should be equals to I of S, but coming to integration of this term, we are having what? I of S by S plus Q naught by S. We know that initially capacitor is not charging, therefore Q naught, which is equals to 0, right? Therefore V, which is equals to what we are having? R into I of S plus 1 by C I of S by S, which is equals to R plus 1 by CS into I of S. So from this we can get R by S into S plus 1 by RC into I of S. Can we write like this? Obviously. Therefore from this, I of S should be equals to P by R by S plus 1 by RC, right? That's it. Yeah. From this, I of S, which is equals to P by R 1 minus 1 by RC, which is what? S plus 1 by RC. So from this we get P by R 1 minus 1 by tau by S plus 1 by tau, right? Since RC, which is equals to tau, time constant, right? Therefore by taking inverse Laplace transform, what we are having, what is that equation? V by r 1 minus 1 by tau, we can say, first we have to write that equation. V by r 1 minus what is that equation? I of s, which is equals to V by r 1 minus 1 by tau 1 by f plus 1 by rc, right? Or you can write one by tau. That's it. Now we can take inverse Laplace transformation by taking inverse Laplace transformation. I of s should be equals to what? I of t. V by r is constant, 1 is as it is, right? We can say that, sorry, we are taking inverse Laplace, right? This is, we can write delta of t minus V by r into tau, this one, into 1 by s plus a is nothing but what? E power minus t by tau. That's it. This is the impulse response of series RC circuit. Simple. Just if you know the concept of series RL circuit, then you will get all the circuit responses, whether it is series RC, parallel RL, parallel RC, like that, series RLC, parallel RLC. That's it.